Hi folks, Stevie here. So it is a soggy boz kind of day and I'm heading out to the Isle of Mull. The main ferry is the Oban to Craigmuir Calmac service. This is quite a busy route, so you're best to book this one in advance. I booked it the day before. There's a crossing every 90 minutes or so from 7 in the morning until 10 at night, but the timings are seasonal, so check your timetables when you're planning to go. The crossing's only 35 to 45 minutes depending upon what size of vessel's on the route. At the point of filming, a motorcycling rider is only £22.50 return, which is super affordable compared to other types of vehicle. It's still wet. But we'll head up to Tobermory anyway. Mull is about 35 miles north to south and about 35 miles east to west at its widest point. It's got a population of about 3,000. The main settlement is Tobermory, right at the north of the island, which is where we're heading for now. It's not stopped raining since I left Oban this morning, so I'm going to catch some lunch in the hope that it'll clear and I can get the drone up around the harbour. There's a lovely wee bakery and tea room in Tobermory with a wide range of bread, hot food and confectionery, all made in-house. I went for the chicken and haggis pie and the chocolate peanut butter slice, which really hit the spot. Surprisingly, as I left the bakery there was a break in the rain to let me get the drone up to show you around. Once a fishing village, the harbour's used mostly now for charter vessels for scuba diving and angling, and seabird and wildlife cruises. It's also the home of the Tobermory Distillery, where you can do whisky tasting sessions and distillery tours. Well, that was a nice spot of lunch, but time now to head down towards Calgary Bay. unsurprisingly, is one of the main stages on the Mull Rally that kicks off next week. There's been 50 rallies held since about 1969, I think it is. It's only ever not happened because of the insurance problems around about 2019, and then again because of COVID. But it's back on again this year, and this is the 50th year. It would be great to have come over for the rally, but the roads would have been closed. I wouldn't have gone riding. I'd love to put a drone up, but there's a wee spit in there and it's quite windy. Calgary Beach, 400 yards. I've got fond memories of Calgary Beach. We had a great wild camp up here a few years ago. As my pal Brian said, why have a 5-star hotel when you can have a 5 million star hotel? This is where we camped. A lovely wee spot. Flat, dry grass, somewhere safe to park the bike, picnic benches, and a beautiful beach. What else could you ask for? Toilets. Public toilets open 24/7, cared for by the local community. If you're going to wild camp here, stick a couple of quid in the honesty box. It goes a long way to keeping us welcome. Right, off ski. Just keep chasing that blue sky. It'll have been worth every drop of rain this morning if it stays like this for camping tonight. So, Mull's the gateway to 2 additional inhabited islands. That's Ulva behind me, but you can't take the bike across there. You've got to get a wee passenger ferry across, it's just for walkers. I mentioned earlier there's a lot of wildlife and seabird tourism on Mull, and while stopped here at the Ulva Ferry, I spotted what I believe to be a sea eagle stalking its prey. I'm going to head down to Fionphort now, and that's the ferry to Iona. There you have it, folks, that's us at Fionphort. That's Iona out there. And again, you can't take vehicles over there, it's pedestrian access only. We are staying down that way, about a mile and a half down that way. A little place called Fidden Farm Campsite. How's that for timing? Oh, look how sway that thing is. I don't fancy that much. Right, I am starving. Let's get to the campsite. It's not often I'll use a campsite, I prefer to wild camp, but this is one of the best. Super relaxed operators with modern, spotlessly clean facilities and only £10 per person per night. You don't need to book in the open season, just turn up. They're emphatic on their website that they won't take bookings. The site looks out across onto St Columba's Bay on the Isle of Iona, and it has an open aspect across onto the Atlantic Ocean. It can be a very well placed, but I've caught it lovely tonight. So what a day. It started off with torrential rain, but I had faith and the weather turned good for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, it'll help the channel to grow. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you on the next one.